Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to perform a burnout in a Ram 1500. First, locate a safe, private, and open area, far from any public roads or pedestrians. Always ensure your truck's tires have good tread and are correctly inflated. Also, verify your engine oil and coolant levels are adequate. Remember, burnouts place considerable strain on your vehicle's components, so proceed with caution. To begin, ensure your Ram 1500 is in two-wheel drive. This is crucial for a successful burnout. Next, completely disable your traction control and stability control systems. These electronic aids will prevent the wheels from spinning freely. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Position your right foot on the accelerator, prepared to apply power. Now, while keeping the brake firmly pressed with your left foot, gently apply moderate throttle with your right foot. Gradually increase the engine's revolutions per minute until the rear tires begin to lose traction and spin. Find a balance between the brake pressure and throttle input to maintain the burnout. When you are ready to conclude, slowly release the brake pedal. Safety is paramount. Always be fully aware of your surroundings throughout the entire process. After performing a burnout, it is essential to inspect your tires for any signs of excessive wear or damage. Allow your engine and brakes ample time to cool down before resuming normal driving. Remember, frequent burnouts can significantly shorten the lifespan of your Ram 1500's components.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.